Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about goal.
Hi. Hello. What is your current goal? I'm determined to get a scholarship to study postgraduate abroad. When did you start thinking about this goal? I started thinking about it when I left university. What difficulties do you have in order to achieve it? Spending a lot of time searching it, I haven't found any scholarship that fits my needs. Do you need any help to achieve that goal? I really need spiritual encouragement from my family and friends. Do your parents support you to achieve that goal? Yes, they do. They're always by my side and support me when needed. Do you think it's important to set goals? Sure. We all need to have some goals to drive ourselves towards them. Setting goals is a necessary step to do in order to succeed in doing something. What are the important qualities to achieve goals? Well, you need to be persistent to what you desire to get. Commitment and patience are needed too.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about goal. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.